Yesterday, we turned off the external spotlight and realized people aren't really watching us that much. So today, let's turn the light inward and ask a deeper question. Do you truly know yourself? Don't rush to answer. Back in the 1950s, two psychologists, Joseph Luff and Harry Ingham, created a timeless model that acts like a mirror for the mind, helping us see a fuller picture of who we really are. It's called the Johari Window. Imagine yourself as a window divided into 4 panes. 1. The open area. This is what both you and others know about you, your name, your job, the opinions you've shared openly. It's the version of you that you allow the world to see. 2. The blind area. This one's fascinating. It includes things that others can see but you can't. Maybe it's your nervous laugh, your go-to phrase, or even a strength you've never recognized in yourself. 3. The hidden area. This is your secret garden. It holds your private fears, dreams, and memories, everything you choose not to share. 4. The unknown area, the most mysterious of all. It contains your untapped potential, your unexplored emotions, and possibilities that neither you nor others have yet discovered. Often, only new experiences and challenges can unlock this space. Personal growth is really about cleaning this window, making it clearer, pane by pane. The goal? To expand your open area. By being honest and open, you shrink the hidden area. By inviting feedback and really listening, you light up the blind area. So today's insight is this: true self-awareness is never a solo journey. We need others, our mirrors, to piece together the complete picture of who we are. Here's your growth challenge for today. Find someone you deeply trust, a close friend or partner, and ask them this simple question. Is there a strength in me that I might not see myself? Then just listen without judging or defending. When you open that window a little wider, you might be surprised by what you discover. This is Read&Tea, the power of thought, understanding the secrets of the mind. Tomorrow, we'll dive into a struggle you've definitely faced within yourself. Follow along, and let's keep exploring the hidden corners of our inner world together.